How to turn off auto updates for WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off auto update on your WhatsApp. So before we begin, if you're new, just subscribe to our channel. Now let's begin. So in the method that we'll look at today, will prevent all apps from updating automatically, including WhatsApp. So let's begin. So go to Google Play Store. Tap on your profile picture on the top right. After you do that, you will need to head over to settings. So search for settings. And after you're on your settings, you will need to head over to network preferences. From there, you'll find auto update apps. Head over there. From here, you can simply select don't auto update apps. After you select that, if you find a done button, press on it. If not, you're basically good to go. Now, WhatsApp, including other different apps, will no longer auto update. And that's the most direct and maybe the only way for Android users to turn off auto updates for WhatsApp. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye.